Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send XRP from Trust Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. If you're holding XRP and want to move it to a more accessible exchange like Coinbase for trading or withdrawal, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups. Crypto transactions are irreversible. First things first. Make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Coinbase apps installed and updated on your device. Start by opening your Trust Wallet app. Navigate to your XRP wallet by tapping on the Wallet tab and selecting XRP from your list of assets. You'll see your current XRP balance. Take a moment to note how much you want to send. Next, switch over to your Coinbase app or website. Log in securely. Go to your XRP wallet page and copy your Coinbase XRP deposit address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's the correct address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Pro tip. In 2025, Coinbase might have enhanced security features, so enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Now, head back to Trust Wallet. In your XRP wallet, tap the Send button. Paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, and review the network fees. XRP transactions are fast and cheap, but fees can vary, so aim for the standard speed to save costs. Before confirming, verify everything. The address, the amount, and the network. It should be the XRP ledger. Once you're good, hit Send and confirm with your wallet's security method, like a PIN or biometrics. You'll get a transaction ID, save that for tracking. Sit tight. XRP transfers usually take just a few minutes to a couple of hours in 2025, depending on network congestion. Once it hits Coinbase, check your account to confirm the deposit. If you run into issues, like a pending status, don't panic, just wait or contact support. And there you have it. Your XRP is now in Coinbase. This method keeps your assets secure and efficient. If this helped, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching.